How to set up 1.1.11 DNS on Windows. This tutorial shows you how to switch to Cloudflare's DNS for faster, more private browsing. First, click the network icon in the bottom right of your taskbar. Click the Wi-Fi or Ethernet icon to open network settings. After that, click Properties under your active connection. From there, scroll down to DNS Server Assignment. At this point, click Edit next to it. In the next step, change the dropdown from Automatic to Manual. Following this, toggle IPv4 on. Once done, enter 1.1.1.1 as the preferred DNS. Enter 1.0.0.1 as the alternate DNS. From here, click Save. Keep in mind, Cloudflare's DNS is known for faster response times and better privacy compared to your default ISP DNS. Finally, restart your browser to make sure the new DNS settings take effect. And that's it. If this guide helped you set up 1.1.11 DNS on Windows, give it a like, subscribe for more DNS tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.